Hello, my name is Rasmus and I'm one of the co-founders of Bikedesk, and now I'll show you how to use the point of sale system in Bikedesk. I click on the POS menu over here and then I come to the point of sale part of Bikedesk. In here I can find the products that I want to sell to the customer. I can either search here at the products, or I can actually also use a barcode scanner, which most bike shops do today. When I sell products here, I can see the products that I've added to the basket. If I want to, I can click here and add a specific customer to the sale. But in this case, I will not do that. If I click down here, I can see I have the pay button. And when I click that, I can select what payment method the customer is going to use. In this case, I will use the card terminal. Click here. And then the system accepts the payment and we have a payment done. If I want to print the receipt, I can click on the receipt button. I can also set the system up to automatically print a receipt. If I don't have a receipt printer, I can email the customer receipt here, or I can SMS the customer link to the receipt. This is actually very smart if you are out into an open house or you're having a market somewhere, then you can text the customer receipt instead of bringing a receipt printer. Now I click done and I can see I performed a sale in the system. In the POS, I can add different selected groups of products in the bottom here. I do that in settings. I have shown that in another video. So go to the setup of Bikedesk video to see how to do that. And that basically just means we can have predefined products that we want to sell, or we have most sold products that we want to showcase all the time. I can also search for specific groups of products, bikes here, if I want to do that, and have them here. Also in the system here, I can see the sales history. So I click on the sales history. I have my sale here and I can click on this and then it opens up the receipt. If a customer comes into your store with the receipt, there's also a barcode on the receipt that you can scan and it will automatically open up a sales history and that specific receipt. In here, you can do other stuff as well. You can print a return label for the product. If I choose to print a return label, there will be some predefined settings for that in the setup of the system. I have also displayed that in the other video, so look at that if you want to see how to set that up. I can also here resend the receipt or print a A4 receipt or send a PDF email to the customer if I want to do that. If I want to here, I can also go in and say I want to return the sale. I can click sales history and then I can go down and find my sale and I can click on the return sale and then it reverses the sale here and I can click on this button here and then it will go back to the customer and I can do that on whatever type of payment I have done here. Also, when I'm done selling, I can also click on the end of day here and I can then add a new daily report. Basically, you do this every end of day and then the system summarizes all the turnover and what payment types that you have for the bookkeeping. So when I want to do a balance end of day report, I can count the money I have in the cash drawer and here it says expected amount 703. And if I don't type the full amount, it will tell me I have a difference. I can also see my new cash balance. And if I want to remove some cash from the drawer, I can say I want to remove 203 Great British pounds here. And then I can also add notes. So when I've done that, I basically tell the system that I pulled out 203 GDP, and then it expects that I have 500 in the cash drawer for the next day. So basically, we recommend that you do this at least once a week, but once a day is kind of recommended. Another thing you can do in the system is when you add products to a sale, we can go in and give discounts. We can either give a total discount up here. I can say I want to give 10% on the whole order. I can set an amount I want to deduct, or I can hit a specific price. I can also do that for each product line here. Click here and then I can say I want to give 10% discount on this product, and then you can see it adds that discount line here. I can also actually click on the product line here and I can change the quantity, I can change the price, and I can also change the text if I want to have added some line here. And then again, we can just actually also split the sale. So I want to pay 100 in cash and I want to pay the rest on invoice or card terminal. I can do that. like that. Another thing we can also do in the system is sell gift cards, and we have a specific product called gift card. So when I find the gift card here, I can see I also have a picture on this. I can add the gift card, and I can say I want to have a gift card of 100 here, and I can set the expiration date. So if I sell the discount here, I can also maybe add a customer to track who owns this gift card. And when I click on the add customer, you can see you get all the information fields that you want to put into the system here. Basically here you can also set in if you have marketing consent, and we can integrate this system towards Klaviyo, MailChimp, or the marketing system that you use. So here I can actually also see when I enroll a customer here, it tells me that the customer is not enrolled in the customer club. We haven't set that up yet, so I will just ignore that for now. When I click pay, I get the chance to pay for the gift card. And when I'm done doing that, I get a receipt. And then we have a gift card basically this is the receipt, sorry. The next one is the gift card. So we get the gift card that we can print on a receipt printer, which has the barcode that can be scanned whenever the customer wants to use the barcode, or the gift card, sorry. Let's say we want to use a gift card for payment. I can find the gift card, I can go under customers, and then in the top here I have a tab called gift cards, and I can see all the open gift cards that I have here and the specific gift card number. So I'll just copy paste this number now, and I will go to the POS, and then I'll buy something. I'll buy this product here, and then I click pay, and then I can use gift card, and I can add the number. If you have a barcode scanner, it is easier just to scan the gift card, and it will automatically redeem it. And do this, and then you can see 100 was paid from the gift card, and then I need to pay the rest up here, like that. So another thing is that when we go into the customers and into the gift cards, we can now see that the balance on the gift card is 0 because it's fully used. We can also import gift cards into the system if you have another system that you're switching from and over to Bikedesk. That will be the easiest way to do. Ask the support for help if you need that.